Let us introduce ourselves, O people of this land.
We are the Warner Brothers,
with sister close at hand.
I bet you all are wondering, who is this young unknown? And why am I inheriting the Anvilian throne?
Yes, why? Yes, why? Oh, please, please tell us why.
The bottom of the family tree starts with Yakko, that is me. I'm the cousin to the sister of the son's niece's brother, of the uncle's daughter's father, of the nephew's sister's mother, and my grandpa's only cousin was the king's daughter's sibling. But they're all gone, and that is why I am now your king.
He is now our king.
Yes, I am now your king. Repeat what I just said.
Repeat what I just said.
And let the anvils ring. Old King Yakko's mania was for Anvillania. So good citizens, I pledge to you, I'll do the best that I can do for honor, country, and the king. Let the anvils ring.
Let the anvils ring.
Let the anvils ring.
Let the anvils ring.
When you walk into a party, it's a formal universe.
Yeah!
So you jump up on your host and with a kiss say, hello, nurse.
No!
Remember that good diction reflects so well on you.
Yeah!
So practice all your vowel sounds by saying,
No!
To use the right utensils, one of etiquette's demands. So we recommend you throw them out and eat with your hands.
A salad fork,
A dinner fork,
a butter knife,
a water glass,
a soup spoon,
a dinner
a
knife,
fork for eating pickled basil,
an oyster fork, dessert spoon, a napkin and a finger bowl, a dinner spoon, a salad knife, a bread plate for your dinner roll. We've heard the rules you need to know to make that social climb, but we'd rather spend our energy on having a good time.
A friend is a friend.